Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome back to the classes now. We are doing history, nationalist movement in Indochina. And today's date is 38th of May 2021. So we have reached 2.0, the subtitle 2.0, that is the dilemma of colonial education. Dilemma means confusion. So the French were confused to provide education. There were various questions. They need to solve those questions before providing education. So let's see. There are altogether 8 points I've written over here. Listen carefully and go through one. We'll go one by one properly. Number one, French colonization. French colonization was not based only on economic exploitation. So as we have already learned that Europeans, they colonized various parts of the Asian, African countries and even some islands, Caribbean islands. The Europeans colonized them so that they could provide, these colonies could provide raw materials, natural resources and various goods. So to exploit, economic exploitation. Not only that, it was also driven by the idea, it was also, their colonization was also driven by the idea of civilizing mission. Civilizing mission means they considered themselves, Europeans, as the civilized people, and the native people of colonies, they considered them as primitive, old, ancient. So it was also driven by the idea of civilizing mission. So that means they colonize various parts of the world for two reasons. One is to exploit, economic exploitation, and second is they considered that it is their duty, civilizing mission, it is their duty to civilize these people. So you can see that. Number two, the French claimed means they said, they announced that they were bringing modern education or civilization. They claimed that, they said that they are bringing modernization, they are bringing modern civilization to the Vietnamese, to these people. So they thought, they means the French, so they thought it became the duty of the Europeans. They thought that it is their duty, it is French colonizers' duty of the European to introduce these modern ideas to the colonies. So they considered themselves as the harbingers of modernity, promote modernity. So it is their duty to introduce modernization or modern ideas to the people of Vietnam. Number three, even if this meant, that means this meant destroying local culture, to bring modernity, the old system has to be removed, destroying their local culture, tradition, language, because these were seen as outdated. Europeans thought that your languages, your culture and your traditions are outdated, no longer needed. The world has modernized, so you also have to be modernized. So that means you have to leave those old cultures, tradition, languages and so on. So these were seen as outdated. Outdated means old, and prevented modern development. These old tradition, culture and languages will stop. We will obstruct the modernization program. So they thought that it has to be removed. So number four, education was seen as one way of civilizing the natives of the Vietnam. So they thought that to modernize them, first these people have to be given education. So to educate them, they need to build schools and other various infrastructures. So anyway, education was seen as, they considered education as one of the best method of civilizing the natives of Vietnam. But to educate them, again there is a question, But to educate them, the French had to resolve a dilemma. To educate them, the French had to answer these questions. How far, up to which class, up to which standard the Vietnamese should be given education. So, but to educate them, the French had to resolve or solve out, find out the answer to the question or confusion. What was that? The question was, what was the question? The big question was, how far were the Vietnamese to be educated? How far, up to which standard they should be given education? You have to solve this problem. The French needed an educated local labor force. The French needed an educated workers, labor force. But they feared they needed the educated labor. But in another way, in their mind, they feared that after getting education, they feared that education might create problems later on. To provide education to them later on, they might create problems. They might begin to raise a finger. They might begin to ask a question. So they feared that education might create problems later on. That was also their dilemma. Once educated, they feared that once these Vietnamese are educated, they may begin to question or raise a finger. They may begin to question colonial domination. They will raise a finger against the French. Not only that, not only this much, the French citizens who are living in Vietnam, began fearing that they might lose the jobs such as professors, doctors, teachers, and artisans. The French citizens living in Vietnam fear that once these Vietnamese people get education, they will go for the jobs, and the French will lose their jobs. So they might lose their jobs of various kinds. So they oppose the policies. Who oppose? The French citizens living in Vietnam oppose the policies that would give the Vietnamese full access to French education. So these French citizens, they started opposing their government, French government, that these Vietnamese should not be given proper education. Otherwise, later on there will be a lot of problem. We will lose our jobs, and this policy is not right. So they started opposing the French government. So in our next class, that's all for today. In our next class, next video 2.1, talking modern. Talking modern means these people, they speak their local language. They should understand and learn French language so that it would be easy for the French to govern them, to instruct them. So talking modern. So in our next class we'll talk about 2.1, that is 2.1, talking modern. So go through this also at home, read properly at home, and it will become more clear. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. We'll meet in the next class and talk about 2.1, talking modern in nationalist movement in Vietnam, Indochina. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching.